Alrighty, we're finding the max flow capacity for this system here. So what we do is pick just a random path from start to finish, 1 to 8, and we recognize these flow capacities for each of these paths. The max number we can flow through all of these paths while staying within each of the capacities is 6. So from start to finish, we're going to send 6 units or whatever through that path. So that means it's going to take this down to 4, it's going to take this down to 0, and it's going to take this down to 2. We need to make sure, basically, that the sum of this number and that number still equal the original sum. The original sum would have been 10 plus the 0. And so we want to make sure that 10 plus 0 sum remains. So really, when this goes down to 4, we better add that 6 back in the opposite direction. So now 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. This is called like keeping it in equilibrium, keeping that path in equilibrium. So when the other one went to 0 here, the other one on the right goes to 6. And when this went from 8 to 2, we're adding this 6 back to that 0. So 2 plus 6 is 8. So now we repeat that process, and we're going to pick all the paths we can until we can't find a path anymore. And we're going to find like the max flow that can go through those paths and sum them all up on the, at the end over here. So let's pick another random path. Let's just go bam, 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 bam. Yeah, let's just do that. Bam, bam. So I'm going 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 8. We have 7, 6, 2, and so the max we can send through that path is just a measly 2. So we take away the 2, we get 0. We take away 2, we get 4. We take away 2, we get 5. And when we take away the 2, we also have to add the 2 back to this number here. So 8, 4, 3. So now all those flows are in equilibrium still. So now let's choose one of these bottom paths here. Let's do bam, bam, bam. This is pretty random how I'm picking these paths, but also like I'm trying to get rid of as many numbers as I can. Like I'm trying to pick the highest numbered path. Anyway, so we have 8, 5, and 9. The highest number we can put through all of them is 5. So we mark off 5, we get 3, take away 5, we get 0, take away 5, we get 4. We add 5, we get 5, we add 5 here, we get 5, we add 5 here, we get 5. So now all those paths are back in equilibrium, and we try to find another path. So how about here, 1 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. We have a 4, we have a 4, and we just have a 3. So we're going to send 3 all the way through. That's going to take this down to 0. That's going to take this down to 1. It's going to take this down to 1. It's going to add 3 to that, to this, and to this to get 8. So we can't send anything from 1 to 4 now. We can send 5 through there, 5 through there, send 4 through there, but we can't do anything there. How about, let's see, 4, 3, 5. Only have 1 left on that. Ooh, I think I got it. Okay, let's try this. We'll go 1, 3, 3, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8. We have a 4, we have a 6, we have a 5, and a 5. So I think 4 is the max we can send through all of them. That's going to mark this down to 0. It's going to mark this down by 4 to give us 2. It's going to mark this down by 4 to give us 1. Mark this down by 4 to give us 1. Okay. Where we subtracted 4, we're adding 4. So we need to make this 9. We need to make, oh gosh, it's hard to see it, but it's actually over here. We're adding 4 to get 6, adding 4 to get 4, we're adding 4 to get 7, I think. Ooh, all right. What else can we send through? We should be able to send 1 somewhere. I think just straight across at this point. So from 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 8. We have a 1, a 1, and a 1. We're just going to send that 1 all the way through. And I think that's all we can do, because what you notice is these last paths that lead into 8 will now no longer have anything. They're all zeros in that direction. So anyway, we add these up. We get 8 plus 8 plus 5. That's 16 plus 5. That is 21. And they tell us that the flow capacities are given in thousands of cars. So what this means is the max flow capacity is 21,000 cars. And so the question is, will it accommodate the expected flow of 21,000 cars? Yeah, it will accommodate it, because 21,000 is the max. So it's spot on, 21,000. I think that's it. Hope that makes sense. If you have questions, let me know.